Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram direct messages folders. Instagram provides its users with an opportunity to manage their direct messages. Now users can flag, filter, or move direct messages into general folder. Actually, this Instagram feature can really help when it comes to organizing and keeping up with messages and responses. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab. Click on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you do it, a window with all of your conversations will open. Now, if you press on the filter icon that is next to the search bar, you will be able to sort your direct messages. You have a chance to choose from the options like inbox, unread, and flagged. If you don't want to let important messages get lost in your inbox, you can easily highlight them by using a flag icon. In this case, find a conversation that you want to flag and open it. Hit the flag icon at the top of your screen. Now you can use the filter function and sort only the flagged messages. As you can see, all direct messages are stored in the primary tab. However, you have an opportunity to move conversations into the general tab. In fact, this tab is for messages you would like to get back to later. So tap and hold on the conversation you want to move to the general folder. Once the pop-up menu appears on your screen, select the Move to General option. Also, you can move a conversation back to the primary folder. Simply press on the General tab. After that, click and hold on the conversation and choose the Move to Primary option. What is more, you can see direct message requests in your inbox. Requests are direct messages from accounts that you don't follow. If you tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select a particular message request, you will be able to delete or accept it. Keep in mind that request messages will be not marked as seen until you accept them. If you press and hold on the request, you will have an opportunity to move it to primary or general folder. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram direct messages folders. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.